I am not a computer by definition. Yeah, right. Yeah. If I compute, I am not a computer. And if I process, I am not a processor. And if I calculate, I'm not a calculator. I don't define when out on me. I don't define as this machine on me. I don't define loving on me. I don't define as a computer by definition. I don't define, you gotta know. I don't define as a computer by definition. You loving on me, don't act your boo. Don't act your boo. Gotta be low on the trap. I don't define as anything that computes. And I'm not a computer if I compute. Don't you around me. I don't saw when I back. And I'm not a computer if I make calculations. So I'm tripping on a tack. Tripping on a I don't define as this, we all see. I don't define as a computer by definition. And I'm not a computer by scientific term. If I compute, I'm not a computer. If I process, I'm not a processor. If I calculate, I'm not a calculator. Yeah, you told Marie, you told my hey. You tried to hate you, I don't fucking care a lot. You never me, I always got you. Yeah, I don't define by the word computer. I don't qualify as a computer by definition. You made me mad, you're son on the group. You talk back God, and no one sue. Anything that computes is not a computer. Phone not sad or run, got a loser. Yeah, Anything that computes is not a computer. I rely fed along, what do you do? Anything that computes is not a computer. I have an loser, I have on a road, with no life. Cause anything that computes is not a computer. I have on a losing out of your mind. My brain is not a computer if I compute. Someone got a side when a lot of losers thinking about what I do. My brain is not a computer if my brain computes computations.